Hello, today we are reviewing the T Tap splice wire connectors that I use for wiring things up in our Sprinter van. I wanted to show you a really nifty product and how I use it. First of all, I want to tell everyone that this is for 12 volt wiring only. You would not want to use this for any kind of building wiring. Also, this is just a tutorial and it's an example. There's some other safety measures such as fusing that I don't have in place here, wire sizing and things like that you would definitely want to have a professional do for you. But I do want to show everyone how easy this is to tap. Essentially what I use is a run wire, and I'll run it throughout the van from a lighting circuit, maybe with a fan, all on one circuit. And instead of using wire nuts to make a splice, what you can do is just run your wire through the van and then come by and tap your light fixtures where you want them, or a fan, or other devices that are 12 volts. So that's what a finished one looks like. These have little grooves in them where the wire runs in like this, and you set it in there, fold it over, get it started, and with a pair of pliers click it, and the little teeth will dig into the wire. And make a connection. The other end that you crimp on to the light fixture is a little spade connector that you crimp on right here using pliers like this or like this. And there's a hole right here, and it slides in and makes contact with the female part of this connector. Yep. Working really well. So as you can see how nifty it would be when you want to make multiple connections. And instead of cutting your wires and stripping them and then connecting them all with a wire nut, you just use these tap connectors on your run wire, and it works really, really well. Super clean. I'll show you inside how I've used it in the van. You can see up above the bunk the light fixtures, and the fan's up there too. We got it insulated right now. And I've tapped all four of those light fixtures, the fan, and the light fixture above the kitchen, the galley sink, onto one circuit. But obviously it's buried under the plywood, so it's hard to see. I have this temperature controller that I use for various heating devices in the van, but right here I've tapped power for this guy, and over here, same circuit, I've tapped power for some heating pads that I have underneath these batteries to keep them warm. So that's what it kind of looks like in the field. Sorry, it's kind of busy in here right now. But that's what it looks like. I wanted to share that with everyone. It is a very handy product, and I highly recommend them. Please subscribe and like the channel. Talk to everyone soon. Thanks.